After nearly 5 weeks in Namibia, there was one last place our mom really wanted us to visit. She had been teaching us about the San People and found a sand living museum in Namibia that we could visit. This turned out to be one of the highlights of our entire Namibia visit. It gave us a real glimpse into the life and culture of the Bushmen. This living museum is an incredible way for these last surviving Bushmen to try to preserve their culture as they welcome tourists into their way of life. Our guide, Hendrik, introduced us to the very friendly men and women of the tribe and was able to interpret between the Sand People and ourselves. We went on a bushwalk where we learned how the Sand People use nature to survive. We learned how they find and store food, how they set up traps for small animals and birds. It was amazing to understand the incredible knowledge of the bush around them and how they knew what roots, bark, and plants were used for medicinal purposes.
And then if we are going down to the root. If we have a normal cupping, then we can dig the root out, boil it into water to wait it to get cold, and then we can drink it.
It helps.
It helps us like coffee.
It's like deep heat. I like it. Yeah, that smells like Granddad's TCP.
My gosh. It smells like, you know what we use for our earrings? Like
surgical spirit.
Yeah. It smells like that.
It does.
Oh my gosh.
That's amazing. Oh yeah, it smells like Granddad's TCP.
Absolutely deep heat. Through and through.
If we have like something problem with a running stomach, then we can, the stomach, you are going to the toilet, your stomach is paining, you can dig the root out, boil it into water, wait it to get cold, and then you can drink it. Then
fix your stomach.
just only in one day, and then the next day if you are standing up, nothing else happening again. And there is medicine plants that we are still doing in these modern days.
That's brilliant.
Because one called Ave.
They showed us how they make fire using their fire sticks and sands. They gave us some fire sticks to try, but this is a lot more difficult than it looks. An incredible skill that they have managed to perfect. But as they explained it to us, fire is the life, so it's a skill they were taught from a young age. Using only natural materials from what they found in the bush around them, we sat down and made a bow and arrow and jewelry with them. They enjoyed showing us how to use these bow and arrows, but again, it takes a lot of practice to get this right. We ended our time with this beautiful tribe, dancing and listening to them sing. We learned so much from them and had an entirely new appreciation for their culture. We felt incredibly welcome. Their kind, gentle, and friendly way is something that this modern world should adopt from this almost forgotten culture. We spent the last couple of nights in Namibia along the Caprivi Strip. We stayed at a place called Ngepi Camp, which overlooks the Okavango River. It's a beautiful setting in a forest of beautiful trees. We had so much fun jumping in their famous croc pool. It is a caged swimming pool in the river to make sure crocs don't get in. Three,
2, 1.
About to jump in. 3, 2, 1. That was so cool. That was so awesome. That was so cool. Wow.
Ngepi has an awesome laid-back, chilled vibe to it. Quirky sayings scattered around the property kept us smiling. There are plenty of places to relax and simply enjoy being in nature.
How cool is this? This is amazing. This could be yellow. Yeah, so cool.
I'm going on.
Oh my gosh, today we leave Namibia. After being here for 5 weeks, we are saying goodbye. We've absolutely loved our time here. Haven't we?
I loved it.
It's been amazing.
What's been your favorite part?
Everything.
Everything.
It's hard to pick a certain spot because it's all been so amazing and cool.
I know, it really has.
Orange River and Etosha,
Yeah.
hands down.
I love the Orange River.
Yeah, that was amazing.
And also
everything.
like quad biking on the dunes.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was really fun. And sandboarding.
Let's have a quick look at our map. We've kind of gone from south all the way up. And we're currently in the Caprivi. And today we've decided to cross over to Zambia. So we had two options. We were staying at Katima Mulilo, and there's a border right there that goes into Zambia, but the road from there to Kazungula apparently is just so bad. It's completely eroded with potholes, and just we were advised not to go on that road. So our other option was to go to Ngoma Bridge, which is the border between Namibia and Botswana, and then travel through Botswana, through Chobe to Kazungula, and cross over from Kazungula into Zambia that way. So we have 2 border crossings today. It's going to be a long day. We've learned in Africa to just be patient. It's going to be an all-day affair, I'm sure. But we've got snacks.
You need to pack them.
We need to pack some snacks.
Next. See you on the other side.